Welcome to our 10th and final episode of our Gibb River Road adventures in Western Australia and part 4 of our El Questro adventures.
We've been here at El Questro for a little while now, so we thought it's about time we take you for a little tour.
Staying at El Questro was one of the highlights of our entire time in WA. We spent 5 nights here and easily could have stayed longer. With almost 700,000 acres to explore, the surrounding landscape is dramatic and expansive with something to offer everyone from adventurous explorers down to novice hikers and first-time four-wheel drivers. We feel that we could have spent so much more time here exploring all those places that we didn't get time to see. Staying at El Questro has something for everyone to complement their Kimberley experience, whether you choose a luxurious stay, a room by the river, a tented cabin nested in the wilderness, or a night under canvas at El Questro Station. As we tow our home behind us everywhere we go, this was where we stayed, and we had a site directly opposite the station, which was perfect, really close to the pizza.
For that walk, dear, on a winter's day, I'll be safe and warm if I was in the rain. But now I'm California dreaming, I know that now it's a winter's day.
To collect the pizza.
This place is absolutely stunning. Yeah, I'm blown away. Miriam's just down there soaking it up. It is, yeah, like I said, it's absolutely mind-blowing. It's a stunning afternoon. We do have a little bit of a bushfire in the background, so you can still see a bit of smoke here. Miriam is just down there. Are you right down there? Hang on, I'm going to flick the camera around. Watch this. Are you ready for it? Are you ready for it? Look at that. Ooh, here.
I'm just standing here croc spotting.
Is this not just the most prettiest place you've ever seen?
It's incredible.
You are stunning, babe, but I'll tell you what, that down there...
Kimberley wins this time.
Kimberley...
Kimberley wins.
Okay, just give me your first impression of this place quickly.
It's awe-inspiring.
Yeah.
It just makes you feel, wow, it's stunning. And the fact there's a bushfire burning over there just kind of adds to the ambience a little bit.
Yeah,
I think
I'll
the
show
sunset's
you-
going to be a little bit more orange.
I'll show you where the bushfire is. So if you look over that way over there.
That's what we could see when we were driving out of Ellen Gorge.
What's that?
When we were driving out of Ellen Gorge, into Ellen Gorge, we saw a little bit of like white smoke in the distance, and as we were driving out, we saw all that black smoke, and then Ellen Gorge was evacuated. So.
Ellen Gorge or Emma Gorge?
Emma
Gorge.
Ellen, sorry.
Ellen.
Emma Gorge.
So where we're staying down there, El Questro is just down there, the station where we stay. Look at this.
It there.
Yep. So this is our last night, by the way, too. You know that.
I'm really sad about that, but I'm actually happy because it was an extra night. We were meant to have left this morning.
We just couldn't leave, because it was too nice.
Yeah, and everyone said, 7 days. And we're like, 4 nights will be fine. No, 7 days would have been much better because we haven't seen all of it. There's so many places we haven't been to.
Yeah.
There's but anyway, what we've seen has been incredible. And you always leave something to come back to.
So this is actually going to be pretty much our second last night in WA. Unfortunately, Titanium has called. We need to be back in Melbourne 3 weeks earlier than expected, than the date we were supposed to be there. So that has thrown our plans pretty much upside down. We're devastated.
Yeah, and we're devastated that WA's been cut short. We're actually really excited to get down to Melbourne to collect our new caravan.
Yes.
Because that also means we get back to Queensland faster and we get to spend more time with our family and our kids.
With our kids.
By the time you guys see this video, if you do follow us on Instagram and Facebook, you
you
would have seen all of the
Very
things.
true.
Because I've mentioned it before, but YouTube is quite a bit behind where we are in real life. And
Yeah.
that's just logistically how it's panned out.
Oh, we're going to see you guys in the morning, but till then, we're just going to leave you with some stunning shots of this place because it is absolute paradise. And I wish I could put the drone up, but it's just the way it is.
It's very, very peaceful here, except when the helicopters go over.
Yep. Love yous and leave yous, eh?
Can I help you?
Yep.
You waiting for me?
Yes.
You know, everyone is leaving. We're leaving, the helicopter's leaving, the guys on the horses have all gone on their little adventure.
Are we good to go?
I think so. The van
Yeah.
is packed, everything. I just need lip gloss. Aside from that, ready to hit it.
It's time to leave. Leaving our Questro this morning. I think we're going to make it to Kununurra. We'll go via the Ivanhoe Crossing this morning. Think we can get some groceries done?
I hope so, because
Yep.
we've run out of everything.
Yep. The last shot we did was in Broome, I think like 2.5 or 3 weeks ago.
Yeah.
So, we're due to stock up, hey?
We did pretty well, but we're down to like potato, sweet potato and frozen meat.
Yeah.
No fresh stuff at all now.
Definitely not much left. Well, I don't know what we're going to do about the NT border. Don't know if they're as strict as coming into WA.
Not going to stock up on fruit and veg though, just in
No,
case.
just bare minimum to get us by until we can get to Catherine, maybe. Let's get going, eh?
Alrighty, see if we can beat the chopper. Oh no, he's already in the air.
Let's race the chopper, quick, 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 quick!